Hey everyone, and welcome back. You know that feeling when you're craving something extra special? A meal that's not just food, but an experience? Well, if you're in Bangalore, you are in for a treat. This city, our very own garden city, is absolutely bursting with incredible fine dining spots that are just waiting to blow your mind. So grab a snack because today we're diving into my personal top 10 premium restaurants in Bangalore that you seriously have to try. Let's get this delicious countdown started.
All right, kicking us off at number 10, we've got the ever popular Toscano. You'll spot their charming outposts all over Bangalore, like in Indranagar and that super fancy UB City. What makes Toscano a total gem? It's their consistent melt in your mouth Italian food served in an ambience that's both rustic and totally chic. Think warm lighting, cozy corners perfect for a date, and that irresistible smell of fresh baked bread. Their wood-fired pizzas, legendary. And the pasta, oh my gosh, it's chef's kiss. You'll honestly feel so authentically Italian, you might just start saying Mamma Mia after every perfect bite. Sliding into the number 9 spot is the magnificent Shiro right there in UB City. Trust me, you'll be blown away by its sheer size and those breathtaking Buddha-inspired interiors. This place is all about luxurious Pan-Asian dining. We're talking Japanese, Balinese, and Chinese, all served up like edible art. Every single dish is a masterpiece, and the vibe will make you feel like you've walked into a serene, opulent temple dedicated to amazing taste. You'll leave feeling more enlightened than a seasoned meditator, and definitely super full. At number 8, we step into the royal court of Indian Darbar with locations like Ulsur offering this incredible experience. This restaurant is a feast for your eyes as much as your tummy, with its lavish, regal interiors that truly make you feel like nobility. They serve up exquisite Indian cuisine where every spice tells a story and every dish is crafted with so much care. It's the kind of place where you might just instinctively straighten your posture and wonder if you need a crown to truly fit in. Go on, treat yourself. You totally deserve it. Coming in at number 7, we're taking a mini vacation to Goa right here in Bangalore at the Fisherman's Wharf on Sarjapur Road. This place just bursts with a joyful, relaxed, but still upscale Goan vibe. If you're a seafood lover, get ready to be absolutely hooked. From fresh catch cooked perfectly in authentic Goan styles to lively music and that lovely breezy atmosphere, it's a whole adventure. You might even start planning your next beach holiday right from your table. Seriously. Our number 6 spot takes us to the truly luxurious Loya at the Taj West End near Racecourse Road. This is where traditional Indian cuisine gets a modern premium twist that's just divine. The vibe here is all about elegant calm, tucked away within the sprawling, serene gardens of the Taj. It's all about refined flavors and an experience that feels incredibly special and intimate. You'll feel like you've stumbled upon a secret garden of gourmet delights, and trust me, you won't want to leave. Halfway through our countdown, at number 5, we have the legendary Karavali, nestled within the Taj Gateway Hotel on Residency Road. This institution is a pilgrimage for anyone serious about authentic coastal Indian cuisine. They specialize in flavors from Kerala, Mangalore, and Goa, and are famous for their amazing seafood and those incredible old-school recipes passed down through generations. The decor takes you back to a grand old Mangalorean home, making every meal a journey through history and incredible taste. It's so good, you'll be dreaming of crabs and curries for weeks. Holding strong at number 4 is Ebony Restaurant, perched high up on the Barton Center on MG Road. Now, if you love dining with a view, this is the spot for you. Ebony offers simply stunning panoramic views of Bangalore's skyline that are absolutely mesmerizing, especially as the city lights twinkle to life. They serve up a delightful mix of Indian and Pan-Asian cuisine in a super elegant setting. Dining here feels like you're literally on top of the world, and your taste buds will definitely agree. Our bronze medalist at number 3 is the utterly enchanting Rimnam, located within the Oberoi on MG Road. This isn't just a restaurant, it's a little slice of heaven, an oasis of calm. Its name means by the water, and you'll find yourself dining right next to serene ponds and lush gardens, feeling miles away from all the city noise. They specialize in exquisite, authentic Thai cuisine that's as beautiful to look at as it is to eat. Just a heads up, the tranquility here might make you forget all your worries, at least until the bill arrives. Securing the silver, at number 2, we have the magnificent Jamavar at the Leela Palace on Old Airport Road. This is where Indian heritage meets absolutely unmatched luxury. Jamavar's dining room itself is a sight to behold, draped in opulent chandeliers, fine silks, and gorgeous, handcrafted wooden artistry. Their North Indian and South Indian cuisine is simply divine, with signature dishes that are rich in both flavor and history. Prepare to dine like royalty. You might even want to practice your royal wave before you go. Just saying. And finally, crowning our list at number 1 for a truly unparalleled premium dining experience that celebrates Bangalore's roots with modern flair, it's Uta Bangalore. Located in Whitefield, this restaurant is a pure love letter to Karnataka's regional cuisine, elevated to a whole new level of fine dining. They actually dig up forgotten recipes and use local indigenous ingredients, taking you on an amazing culinary journey through the state. The vibe is super elegant, showing off beautiful local artistry, and the chefs here are total storytellers, presenting each dish with so much passion. It's an immersive experience that's truly one of a kind, highlighting local flavors with global standards. You won't just eat, you'll embark on a culinary adventure that leaves you feeling totally connected to the heart of Karnataka. It's the perfect blend of luxury, authenticity, and unforgettable taste. Seriously, my top pick. If you had fun on this foodie adventure with me, please hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome guides to the best of Bangalore, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never